You can find the new 2Challenge tool within the Teachers area on your Purple Mash. On opening it, you see that you have some options to make your own. There are pre-made activities behind the English and the Maths and some new templates. 2Challenge is a quick start tool designed to support learning engagement, promote challenge, to inspire children and to get them thinking. It's based on key questions and a number of cards that can be flipped or moved around to be able to satisfy challenges. It's incredibly flexible and it's non-subject specific. If I click on the new templates, for example, you'll see that there are loads of different subject areas. If I click on any of them, there are some good starter suggestions, things that you can just tweak and alter and make your own. It could be used as a starter for a lesson or to introduce new topics. All you do is click play. Here's our question. Guess each artist based on each picture. And when we want to know the answer, you just flip. It might be reinforcing key learning so far, in which case you can drag, drop numbers around until you've got them in the order to match the question. Or it could just be used to introduce a new topic. Which one is the odd one out and why? Of course, it's the lizard on this one. It's incredibly easy to edit the ready-made templates. You can just tick on the little select box and edit. This allows you to change images and text. You can add sounds, you can see. And to change the image, just click. Let's get to our animals. Something else that's an insect and flies. I can also change the word here. I think that's actually a honeybee. And apply. Easy as that. Nothing on the back here at the moment, but if I did want to alter that, I just select and edit. And I change what's on this side. Let's have a quick look, see what we can find. It's really easy to add extra blank cards that you can just edit. I showed earlier, changing the image, the type, adding sounds, both sides. You can also select card and clone it really easily. Just as simple to add an extra page. You can keep moving the challenge further on, perhaps increasing the difficulty, and you can clone pages too. It's very simple to make your own challenge. Just click here, and when it opens up, you'll see it's pre-populated with 6 blank cards already. You can add more cards, up to 15, and we can see here currently we've got 6 of those 15. If I don't need all of them, I can just select and delete. Very easy to just type in a question. As you see, as soon as I type in here, it's got loads of different potential questions for you. Which is the odd one out and why? We could set up an activity with that. This then comes on to the page at the side, and I can add more pages very simply down here. If I want to put the same image on all 4 cards, it's very easy to do. Select them all, click edit, and it's telling me here that I'm bulk editing all 4 cards at the same time. Change the image. That takes us into an area that you're probably familiar with already, where you can use something from the whole clip art gallery. Masses of different examples there. You could paint your own, do a camera shot, select a file that you already have. So I can put this on. Let's choose that. Do nicely. We could put sound on here as well if we wanted to and add text, but I'll just apply that to all 4 of my cards. You can see currently that there's nothing on the reverse of them. That's because I haven't actually done that yet, but that's just as easy to do as shown previously. When I click play, this is how it looks. You might notice the refresh button here is greyed out at the moment, so let's see what that's all about next. Here you can see that I've started to make another challenge, work out the total of the largest and the smallest numbers. I've put in the numbers 1, 2, 3 and my final card. I'm going to edit and put in. What I want to do is to make it a little more interesting is to select all of the cards, edit them and switch on this randomise. And that then says what is it that you're wanting to randomise, because we've got numbers here. I can say what I want the extent to be. I could go from 0 to 1,000, but I'll just make it quite nice and simple here so we can differentiate it for different ability groups. And choose that one, apply it to all 4 cards. Now when I play, the refresh button is actually lit up and I can just click and it'll keep changing all of my cards, any number from 0 through to 10. When you're happy that you've got what you want, you must go to the burger menu, of course, and save this so that you can bring it out from your My Work folder at any time. If once you've made your challenge or you're using one of the pre-made activities, you decide that the cards aren't in quite the order that you would prefer them to be, you can just rearrange them. Then when you click play, they'd be in the order that you have selected. Also can change the order of the pages. So just by dragging and dropping, we can rearrange all of these pre-made pages for you. As always, you will find that there is a comprehensive user guide and it details all of the things we've just been going through in this webinar with nice screenshots. You can just refer to it at any point when you're creating or editing any of the pre-made activities. And to locate that, to your 2Simple purple mash, into the teachers area, user guides and planning, and here is the 2Challenge user guide. I'm sure you'll have loads of different ideas on how you can use this, but there's masses and masses of suggestions there already for you. So that's your brand new teacher tool, 2Challenge.